Good morning. My name is Archana Piaget. I'm doing first semester MTech in cybersecurity. So here I'm giving a demo on steganography. Okay, so what is steganography? Steganography originated from below two Greek words, stegano and graph. Stegano means hidden or covered. Graph means right. So from these two words itself, it is clear like what means by steganography. It's a technique of data hiding. So it can be hidden as like text, image, audio files, zipped files, video files, etc. So based on this cover medium, like we divide steganography into different kinds of techniques, like image steganography, video steganography, audio steganography, white space steganography, text steganography. Like that, different categories are there under steganography. It is basically used for hiding a secret image behind another, secret data behind another file. So, no one other than the sender and the intended recipient suspects the existence of secret message. So, normally we have a tendency to believe what we see. So, it won't be easy for human eyes to detect like whether there is some message is hidden behind a particular file. So there won't be much file size changes, or when you see those two images, like which is a cover image and which is this image which is resulting after steganography, there won't be much differences between these two. It's completely different from cryptographic techniques, even though this is also a message for communicating secrets through hidden way of communication, but it is like completely different from cryptography where encryption and decryption techniques were used. Now, method of steganography. The formula below describes the process of steganography as discussed above. This is like cover medium plus hidden data plus stego key results in stego medium. Cover medium will be the image file or the video file or the audio file behind which the data will be hidden. Hidden data is obviously the data which the attacker or the person who wants to hide behind the cover medium. And Stegoki is a optional thing, like that would be like a passphrase. This passphrase is also used for hiding the data, so that at the recipient end, if they have the same passphrase only, they can extract the data. Okay. So how do hackers use steganography? It's a creative way for hackers to hide what they are doing. Okay, so it is actually some malicious code, some exe file also can be hidden behind another file, or if they are capturing some keystrokes, they can hide that behind another file. So they hide malicious code within the cover medium that is mainly employed by exploiting kits to hide their malicious traffic. Okay, so it takes advantage of the end user's normal expectations and inherent sense of trusting what we see. Okay, so as a security professional, detecting the steganography in your organization can be difficult, but it's not that impossible. We have the techniques for detecting steganography. Okay, steg analysis is the process of detecting messages hidden behind another file using steganography. Okay, so steg analysis is using below processes normally: detection, extraction, destruction. Okay, so we have some open source tools also available for steg analysis process, like steg detect. And challenges are like steg analysis of digital images. It's a very complex process. It uses like feature extraction using machine learning algorithms. So it could be like very complex process. And sometimes like if the as a security professional, we must suspect some particular image will be having some hidden message, but it might not be having that message actually. And sometimes the message which is hidden by the attacker will be encrypted. Okay, so if it is an encrypted message, extracting that message from our end will be very difficult process. Okay, so here in this demo, I'm focusing mainly on these three tools. One is Steg Hide. Steg Hide is used for image steganography. It's a command line tool in Kali Linux. Okay, so using that we can embed a file inside another file, and the intended recipient can extract the file if they have the same tool in their machine. So in any kind of steganographic techniques, like whether it is a command line copying or whether it is using steg hide tool or any other tool, both the files should be in the same place, whether the data to be hidden and the cover medium, both should be in the same place, same location. I mean, and stack analysis is using stack cracker. We can't really say that it's a stack analysis process. It is basically extracting the passphrase using a brute force technique. So if somebody is detected the presence of a hidden message, and if we are trying to extract that particular message, the attacker might be using a passphrase for hiding the message behind this file. So we need the passphrase, and for that, stack cracker tool will help in brute forcing and finding the passphrase. And next one is a white space steganography tool called Stegsno. So hiding a message within the white space is very easy, because like white space and tabs are will be like very common within the document. It will be like finding a white space within a document will be like finding a polar bear within snow. So we are using this Stegsno tool for hiding this messages in ASCII text by appending white space to the end of lines. Okay, so because spaces and tabs are like generally not visible, so it's not easy to find out from a user perspective. Okay, we'll go to the demo of these tools now. I'm using Kali Linux for this demo. Okay, first I'll give a demo of stack hide tool, like how it is hiding a message behind a image file. Okay, here I have a hidden.txt. This is a secret message. So this file I'm going to hide behind this particular file, p.jpg. Okay, so this is the image file behind which I'm going to hide the information. Okay, I'll just type stack hide. So we can see the help of this. So here embed is an instruction for embedding one particular file, and then EF. This indicates the file, or the message which needs to be embedded. And CF is a covered file. That means a cover medium behind which the data will be hidden. Okay. So using these commands, like we can hide a particular file behind the image file. And here, yeah, stego file we can see, because using this stego file only we will be able to extract the file. Like once it is hidden behind this one, we should be able to extract the message from image file. And hyphen p indicates passphrase. Okay, so this will be the passcode used for embedding a message within image. Okay, so now we will use the stack hide for embedding the hide.txt inside the puppy.jpg file. Puppy.jpg and hide.txt. Okay, first we need to embed. Okay, hyphen cf. Here we are giving puppy.jpg, and our file name is for embedding is hidden.txt, hide.txt. Okay, so we can use a passphrase also for hiding it. I'll use a passphrase as India. So this is like covered file and passphrase embedded file. File to be embedded. Okay, so embedding hide.txt inside puppy.jpg is done. So right now this file will be hidden inside this particular image. I'll just display the image. There is no difference from the previous image and this particular one. Steg hide info p.jpg. Okay, so we can see the metadata of that particular file, and it's asking like whether you need the information about embed data. So if you are suspecting one particular file and trying to inspect that one, we will be get to know like there is some data embedded within that, but it's not that easy to get what exactly is the data, because mostly the passphrase will be used for embedding it. So I'll give yes. So it's asking for the passphrase. Suppose I'm a security professional and I don't know the passphrase using by which the attacker is hiding the message. So I'll try some passphrases, and I'm not able to extract because the passphrase is incorrect. So in this case, like the stack cracker tool will help me for brute forcing the particular password. Okay. Okay, so normally for brute forcing, like we need to provide a particular word list. In case of Linux, like if you are not providing a word list, it will be automatically trying to brute force the particular password from rock.txt. Okay, so here we can see that using the default rock.txt as word list, it is trying to perform the particular brute force method. So if it's matching with the passphrase which I am using India, then the tool will be able to brute force it and give the particular passphrase. After that, I can use that passphrase for extracting the message. I mean, for getting the in extracting the message which is hidden by the attacker behind this puppy.jpg file. Okay, so here brute forcing attempt is going on. It's taking a little bit of time. There are some other tools also for used for steg analysis, which is called steg detect. So if we are using that particular tool, like it will be able to extract the hidden message behind the image itself. So this tool is brute forcing the passphrase. It's trying to match that particular passphrases which I am using. In image steganography, like we have one major technique called LSB steganography, which is called least significant bit steganography. So that means like instead of most significant bit, yeah, there will be like least significant bits like which will be replaced within that image. So there will be like the similarity between the cover medium and stego medium will be very high. So it will not be easy to find out in that case. Okay, so here we got the password by brute forcing. So passphrase is India. So using this passphrase, we'll be able to extract the particular image. So as I already mentioned, the same tool is required in the receiver's end also for extracting the image, I mean, extracting the hidden message. Info, yes, yes. Okay, so I'm entering the passphrase which we have just got by brute forcing. Okay, so we got to know that the embed file name is called hide.txt. Okay, so now we'll try to extract this particular hide.txt from this puppy.jpg file. For extracting, we have already seen that this option can be used, stego file, and then give the stego file name. If it is asking for passphrase, like we need to give the passphrase also, and then we can extract the message. Sorry, I forgot the extract command. You need to give the extract command also while extracting the message within the embedded file. I'll enter the passphrase which we got from boot forcing. Okay, so extracted data is hidden to this particular text file. Okay, so after hiding this text file behind this image file, attacker will remove the text file. Okay, so now after extraction, the data is returned to hide.txt again. Okay, so we got the message which is hidden. That is, this is a secret message. This was a message which I was hiding behind the particular image file using this stick hide tool. Okay, so now we'll see the Stexno tool for white space steganography. Okay, Stexno tool is using these techniques like C is for compression and password, and we can hide particular in file within a particular out file, and we have this -m option which is for hiding one particular message, and -f is for hiding one particular file within that. So it will be, this message will be hidden using the ASCII characters, and it will be like embedding white spaces at the end of each lines. Okay, so first we'll create one particular file. Okay, so we don't have this in file. Okay, I'll use this particular in file for hiding this image, hiding the messages. Okay, -c for compression, -m, it's a secret or it's a message, some message which we are trying to hide behind the trying to hide within the white spaces in that file. Okay, so here this file should be there, this file should be existing, it should be containing some messages, and behind this file only we are trying to hide it. So I'll just write in file.txt. The underline is showing that whether the file is existing or not. Okay, in file 1 this particular file is existing, so I'll try to write the output to another file called outfile1. Okay, so here we are getting the message like compressed by 45%, message used approximately 55% available space. So I'll just open this particular out file 1 now. Okay, this is our file. inside which data is hidden. Okay, so yeah, this is the out file which is the stego medium generated. So we are not seeing any anomalies over here. Okay, we can't see any messages hidden within the white space or anywhere in this out file one. I will try to extract the message which is hidden. Okay, so we'll try to extract the particular file, a message which is hidden within the white spaces. Hyphen C. Okay, so hyphen P is for finding the password. India in the out file one. It's secret. So when we open the hide.txt, it was sorry. When we opened that particular out file one, it was not there. We're not able to find out if there is any messages hidden within this. Okay, so we are able to extract the message which is hidden within the white spaces in that file. So that's all for the demo. Thank you.